following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. What? Northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Fulton, Franklin, Perry, Dauphin, Schuylkill, Lebanon, Cumberland, Adams, York and Lancaster counties. When? From 2 p.m. Friday to 2 a.m. Saturday. The strongest winds are likely Friday evening. Impacts: downed tree limbs onto power lines will likely result in scattered power outages. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. For high wind safety information, visit weather.gov/wind. The latest forecast information can be found on the National Weather Service State College Facebook page and Twitter at NWSSTATECOLLEGE, or on the web at weather.gov/CTP. At 8 p.m.